Okay, so our goal today is an introduction to weather. We're going to be talking about weather for a couple of weeks. Some of the guiding questions for today is what is weather, how can we predict the weather, and what tools are used. So you should be able to answer those 3 questions when we're done. If you don't remember how to get there, let me show you. So there's a couple things I want to show you while we're in here as well. So first things first, I want everybody to go to your Mrs. Metz homepage. Go to your Mrs. Metz homepage. Everybody, go to your Mrs. Metz homepage. Some of you already have this Cami file open. I'm going to show you a second one. Some of you are already going into courses. Man, you know where I'm going with all of this. Y'all are super fabulous. I love it. I love it. I love it when y'all do what you're supposed to without being told. All right, so some of you are already there. I'm going to go ahead and click on modules. Oh, I did forget something in this one, but that's fine. Okay, so there's a couple of things that I want you to note. There is a tracking the weather assignment. This assignment is going to be there for the next couple of weeks. So let's go ahead and start there. So I want everybody to go to your Canvas and open up your tracking the weather. I want everybody to go open up tracking the weather. And it says the student is expected to make predictions based upon observations made of recorded weather data by recording data in a chart and then graphing the results. Include both scientific, so newspaper weather reports, which we are going to look them up, and actual physical observations if you go outside and look. Load the file below each day. Click on the weather bug link to look up and record the weather according to the data sheet, and then click here to see the lesson discussion. So if you don't know how to do it, I will make sure I upload a video at the end of today right there. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Load Tracking the Weather in a new window. Actually, I'm not going to do that. I am going to open it up in another file. So all of you should have that open. Give me a second to open up mine. I can see. There you go. Y'all have it open. I see it opening. I see it opening. You need to make sure you open up that tracking the weather file. We are going to be tracking the weather over the next couple of weeks. I am still getting mine going. I'm making a couple of copies of mine so that all right. So I have mine open. Yours should look similar to mine. The only difference is yours is going to be in a Cami file. So what I want you to do is I want you to scroll down to the second page, because like I said, we're going to be doing this for 2 weeks. When you scroll down to the second page, you're going to see weather calendar week of, and I didn't put the day in there because we'll type in the date, so you're going to add a text box and type in the date, the daily temperature high and low, the average temperature, the wind speed, air pressure, humidity, amount of rain, and your prediction for tomorrow. So click on the weather bug link We're going to click on the WeatherBug link. Is everybody clicking on the WeatherBug link? Oh, it says Richland Hills. You don't want Richland Hills. You want Euless, don't you? Here, go type in the search for Euless. In the upper right-hand corner, I want you to type in Euless. E-U-L-E-S-S, Texas, and it'll start coming up. In the upper right-hand corner, in the upper right-hand corner, you should have a box that says Euless. You can type in Euless. Tyler. Oh, I didn't want to say your name.
Is this a trustworthy place, right? It looks like a computer fixer that lies to you.
Have you never used WeatherBug? No, it's very trustworthy. It's fine.
Alright. It looks like a debug kind of.
The WeatherBug is very trusted. Just don't download it to your computer and all is good. All right. So it says, let's see all the information. Look at all that information that we have. Wind chill, dew point, humidity, pressure, sunrise, sunset, daily rain, monthly rain, average wind speed, wind gust, moon, UV. You have the temperature, high and low. Do you see that? The temperature, high and low. So I am going to go back to my file. I'm going to probably have to toggle back and forth. Guys, I'm going to have to turn that off if you guys cannot focus on what we are doing. Quit typing in the chat things that have nothing to do with us filling out this form, please. So go back to tracking. I might even print mine out so I can keep up with it. So are y'all filling in your form? No? Okay, hang on. Y'all are shaking your head like I've grown 2 heads. Give me a minute and I'll show you. All right, so the first thing, if you look at this tab, okay, the day's date, you need to add a text box and add today's date. So I'm going to grab my text box and I'm going to add. Today is January 26th, so 01/26/2021. Mine is in a Google Slides, so yours may look a little bit different since it's in, what is it? Cami? The daily temperature, high and low. So for today, the high is going to be 56. The low is going to be 42. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to enter in another text box. And I'm going to type in 56/42. See that? 56. So I know that that is the high and the low. You see that? High and low. Are y'all with me? That's the high and low. The average air temperature, I'm going to add another text box. Come back over here. The average temperature was, where's it at? They gave it. They gave it. Average wind. They don't have average temperature. Huh. I'm going to skip that one for now. Wind speed. Wind speed is no. The wind speed is, the average wind speed is 5 miles per hour, but it's east, southeast, 5 miles per hour, right? east, southeast. I have it right. Oh, y'all can't see that. I'm toggling back and forth. So my average wind speed, 5 miles per hour. Y'all see that? I'm going to come back over here and I'm going to enter it in. 5 miles per hour. Y'all following? Your hands should be on your keyboards, guys. Air pressure. I'm going to toggle back to it and I'm going to look at air pressure. Air pressure right here. Y'all see it? It's right there. It says it's 29.99. 29.99. So I'm going to go enter that in. 29.99. Humidity. See, I'm entering all this in my table. Can't hear you. You're going to have to speak a little bit louder, dear. I still can't understand you. Could you speak clearer and louder? No? You're going to type it? Okay. What was I looking at? Humidity. Humidity right here. See, the humidity's right there. It's 100%. So I'm going to type that in. You would think with 100% it'd be raining. The amount of rain. How much rain did we get today? How much rain have we had today? Oh, wait, that's not Monday. That's Tuesday. We're Tuesday. Sorry, guys. I'm going to move all of that down. Look at that. Look at me. Move all of that down. The amount of rain. It says the amount of rain is 0. I don't think it's going to rain today. It's 0. Daily rain is 0. So I'm going to write 0. And then, what is my prediction? What is my prediction? My prediction for tomorrow is going to be, I don't know. So far, I think based on that it's a little bit cooler today than it was yesterday, I'm going to say it's going to be colder. So I'm going to add a text box. What do you think it's going to do tomorrow? When you are done filling in this information, you need to click Submit, Save As, because we are going to be filling in this table for the next 2 weeks. Thumbs up. Perfect. Perfect. All right.